Kaya good day sa inyo, Neris. Kung makikita nyo, may bago na nga tayong X-Max ngayon na 2023 model, and excited na ako i-review to at ipakita sa inyo yung specs and features. Pero syempre, natawag muna tayo ng konting tulong para makita natin yung pinaka-panel case niya kasi sobrang dami nagbago na controls. So tara, tingnan natin ngayong araw. Syempre, kasama natin yung si Sir Chris, our Yamaha expert, at papakita niya sa atin yung mga basic functionalities na kaabang-abang talaga dito sa bagong X-Max na 2023 model. So Sir Chris, pakidemo po sa amin.
Alright, nice meeting you, Sir Ned. No? So, ngayon, nagkaroon tayo ng bagong X-Max. No? As you can see, marami siyang pinagbago. Aesthetically and then in terms of features, marami siyang upgrade. No? Una, yung design mismo ng meter panels, nagbago siya. Previously kasi, it's a combination of analog and digital meter panel. But for this year, we have 2 meter panel. Nasa taas, sir, ito yung 3.2 LCD meter panel. Nakikita mo dito yung speed mo, yung fuel mo, and then yung trip mo. So, this one is fixed already. But for this one, ito yung TFT meter panel. So, yung interface niya, sir, mas maganda. So, at first, kapag tinurn mo yung motorcycle, may lalabas lang na warning. Of course, related with the safety. No? You have to click the accept. So, itong may check mark. So, while waiting, marami siyang interface na pwedeng gawin. Number 1 is the navigation. Kapag meron kang long distance riding, even for city riding, gumagamit tayo ng navigation app, di ba? But for the X-Max, kailangan lang natin mag-download ng Garmin Street Cross. So, yung Garmin Street Cross app, it is designed for the new X-Max and it's free of charge. Pwede mo siyang i-connect to your mobile device. Halimbawa, pupunta ako ng Tagaytay. So, I'll set Tagaytay, then click the go. So, nako-compute niya yung total travel distance. Going dun sa specific destination, nadedetect din niya yung traffic condition. But merong certain limitations, depende yun sa data mo dahil kailangan mo gumamit ng internet connection. Then, itong battery naman na sir, battery ito ng mobile device mo. So, it's more easier for you, lalo na kapag umuulan, di ba? Normally, we used to buy yung holder. But for this time, kahit wala nang holder. So, that's the difference in terms of feature. And another thing is, number 1, meron tayong music. Pero wala siyang speaker, via Bluetooth or intercom. Of course, kailangan meron kang Y-Connect. Since connected na tayo, we can play music, for example, via YouTube, no? So, just play. So, dapat mag-mirror yan. Ayun, nandun na siya. Then, pwede mo i-control yung volume. You can up. Yan. Pwede mo rin siyang i-down, then pwede mo siyang i-pause. Also, for odometer, nalalag niya yung trip mo, no? Trip 1, trip 2, meter display, yan. So, nangyayari, sir, kapag sa tachometer,
wow!
so, depende yun sa rev mo, no? Yung movement niya, no? Yung movement niya. Yung echo naman, nako-compute niya yung average fuel consumption mo per second. Yung speed naman po, yung function na to is like a limiter. Pag-red yun. So, ibig sabihin, overspeeding ka na.
Okay.
O, dahil may times na hindi tayo nakakapag-implement lalo ng speed limit. For the notification, yung pangalan mismo ng caller is makikita na. And even yung preview ng text, hindi yung whole text hindi mo rin siya ma-open. At least, na-notify ka, which is informative as well. Then another thing also yung weather. Sa mga mahilig mang long distance ride, no? Since connected tayo with the Garmin and the Y-Connect, nagmi-mirror din yung weather update. So yun, it's very informative kasi pag babiyahe ka ng malayuan, you have to anticipate the weather condition, diba? So that's for the weather and also yung lugar. Settings naman po, so you can enable your TCS. Then connection, yan. So for the first time na magko-connect with this vehicle, kailangan open yung Bluetooth mo. Aside from the data. Information, if you want to reset, you can also change the time. You can also adjust the brightness of the TFT. Lalo na sa medyo malalabo yung mata, no, yung vision. And unit information, yung distance, fuel, kilometer per liter, and of course yung temperature. So very informative yung features na meron tayo with the Y-Connect, and of course yung Garmin Plus. All this because of the TFT meter panel. And aside from that, sir, no, since ito yung controls niya, mapapansin mo, dito sa kabilang side, we have the hazard lamp. So yung hazard natin previously nasa ilalim, di ba? But now for the new X-Max, yung hazard natin is nandito. Nasa taas. So good thing is, visible siya, no? Lalo kapag may mga other vehicle na approaching. So that's for the hazard lamp. Then ito naman, sir, yung adjustable windscreen. So you can manually adjust this one. Then this one, sir, yung handlebar naman can be also adjusted. Siyempre may ibang rider na maikli yung braso. So gusto nila mas malapit sa kanila. Parang sa kotse, di ba, yung steering wheel na adjust. Same din. So of course, we want to provide comfort dun sa rider natin. That's why we made these functions possible for X-Max. So, open lang natin to. And then meron tayong 12 volt DC socket. Still have to buy the adapter. Then may lock to, no, for safety, no? Secured yung items mo. Then this one naman po, manually lang siya. I-press mo lang po siya. The fuel tank capacity, 13 liters fuel tank capacity.
Wow.
So malaki rin, perfectly fit for long distance riding talaga. Yung seat naman po niya is kasya yung 2 full face helmet. Meron siyang provision for this one, and then meron siyang courtesy lights. Para at least kapag madilim, nakita mo yung mga items mo. For the seat, ito nagbago yung ano natin, no? Gives more comfort and premium feeling na iba na yung material niya. No? Meron siyang parang heat outlet, kumbaga yung hangin lumalabas. Lalo kapag mahaba na yung biyahe mo. Ito, lagi itong may concern na medyo malaki daw yung dating rear body ng X-Max. But with the new X-Max kasi, medyo
slimmer na.
Lalo na kapag meron kang angkas, hindi na mabukakan. Diba? Comfort lagi yung binibigay natin. Dual channel ABS and then still equipped with the traction control system. So those is for safety related functions or features ng X-Max natin. And for the engine naman po, we have 292cc liquid cooled fuel injection blue core din po siya. But now it's Euro 4. So mas eco-friendly siya. Then for finally sir, we have 2 colors. We have the dark petrol and then we have the sword gray.
Dami natin natutunan, lalo-lalo na dun sa kanyang TFT display, sobrang dami ng functionalities. Ayun sir, maraming salamat Sir Chris.
Thank you so much.
Kung gusto nyo, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Okay, this is Adriano. Always keep it cool and ride safe.